welcome back to my channel and another episode of Shundara Creates. But hold up, wait a minute, let me put some boom on it. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe so you can join our awesome Shundara Creates family. Make sure you're following me on all my social media sites as well as Instagram if you would like us to be a part of our Shout Out Wednesday on Instagram. I will be shouting you guys out in my Instagram stories, but that will be after the video. So if you want to stay tuned to figure out how you could get a shout out on my Instagram stories, make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video. And make sure you're following me on all my social media sites, you guys. So in this episode of Shundara Creates, you know what? I have officially dubbed myself the DIY / slime queen, because you know what? I am Bob. And if you thumbs down this video, you a hater. Like Lil Tay said, you a hater. Anyways, so in this episode we are making a water slime, and this is an easy water slime that only requires 2 ingredients, and one of them is water, and the other ingredient you can find at any grocery store you want. So you guys, make sure you check out this video and let's go. So we're gonna boil a 1/4 cup of flax seeds. These are flax seeds. You can find these at any grocery store. And this is how you're gonna make your water slime. So you will need a 1/4 cup of flax seeds, nothing more, nothing less. A cup of water, of course, because this is a water slime. So a cup of water, and then you want to turn up the heat to high. And then we're gonna add another 1/4 cup of water, Ohana Squad. So once you've added that 1/4 cup of water, you want to let this set for about, I would say, 2 minutes on high heat until it becomes to a complete boil. Once it comes to a complete boil, then you want to turn down your heat to medium. So once you see it boil, now it's time to turn down the heat to medium. And then we're going to start stirring our mixture, and we're just going to let it sit and let it boil for about, I would say, 5 to 8 minutes until you get a sticky mixture. So just let this boil, you guys.
So hard to love my heart, but not the way that I do love you. Well, holy moly, me oh my, you're the apple of my eye. Girl, I've never loved one like you. And oh my best friend, I scream into the nothingness. There ain't nothing that I need. Well, hot and heavy pumpkin pie, chocolate candy, Jesus Christ, ain't nothing pleased me more than you. Oh.
So once you've had it boil for about 5 to 6 minutes, you want to start to stir it. Your pot may be a little sticky at the bottom, but that's fine. Just make sure you had it on medium heat during the boiling process. So now we're going to make sure it cools down just a bit, and you're going to test it for stickiness. Since I was doing this on video, I wanted to show you guys how sticky this is, but this is a disclaimer. This part is really hot. So do not do what I did and touch it with your hands. I literally kind of almost burned my hand, but then I started to blow it. But as you can see, this texture is really sticky. And this is exactly what you want to get your slime. Look how sticky and clear it is. Oh my God, you guys, thumbs up this video because you know I'm the slime queen. And if you thumbs down this video, you a hater. So you will need a mesh bag. Now, if you don't have a mesh bag, you can use stockings. Use stockings, okay? You can use stockings if you don't have a mesh bag. And you just want to add the flax seeds and the water mixture into a bag. And you can use a rubber spatula. So what I'm going to do is squeeze the top of it and let it set. So you want to let it set until it's cool, because this part is really hot. So just let it set for about, I would say, 5 minutes until it's cool, and that's what I did. Now that it's cool and it's nice, now you can squeeze. So what you want to do is squeeze out all the squeeze out all the sticky part of the mixture. and pretty much squeeze it out until it is all done, you guys. As you can see, I'm squeezing and squeezing, and look how sticky it is. This is a super sticky mixture, and it's just like snot. So this is really like snot slime. But once you have it all out, you will almost have your slime. And pretty much now that you have it, you can take it off your hands. That's okay. That's what I did. But now that you are done, you pretty much have your slime. So this is your slime. This is what it looks like. It is fun to play with. It is the most epic slime I have ever seen. Thumbs up this video for this really epic water slime. Slight note, this is edible, but it is nasty, so I didn't eat it because I thought it was nasty. Thanks so much for watching, Ayhana. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in our next episode of Shundara Creates. Boy, you guys! Let's play the emoji game. So I really had fun playing the emoji game in my live streams, and I know I haven't been live in a while. I'll probably start doing live really soon. Probably once I get on the schedule with my baby. Many of you know I'm probably going to do a reveal real soon for her, but I've been really busy, so please forgive me, you guys. But let's play the emoji game. So for the first person who gets all the emojis right, and I will check, because I do check, I will pin your comment. And for the 5 to 10 other people who get the emoji game right, I will be doing shout out Wednesdays on my Instagram. And I will remind you guys that I do shout out Wednesdays on my Instagram so you guys can see it. So in this episode of the emoji game, I'm so excited. When you do it, make sure you leave it, and then I'll give you guys a question as well. So here we go. Leave me 5 horses, 1 hospital, 1 smiley face, 2 rainbows, 1 hamburger, 3 roses, and 1 boat. So I hope you got all that, because I'm like totally forgot it, but I hope you got all of it. I'm gonna check if you did do it. Leave it down below. And also the next question is, are you out of school for the summer, and what grade are you guys going to next year? And do you want me to do live streams, and will you tune in, and which day? So you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this episode. I hope you get the emojis right, and make sure you check out my Instagram on Wednesdays to see if you did it, because you will be getting a shout out, as well as you guys will be getting shout outs in my community, my YouTube community. So I'll shout you out on my Instagram, as well as shout out Wednesdays on the YouTube community, where I say your name and how much I love you, as well as shout outs on Snapchat. So we're going to be doing that. So you guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and I hope you get all those emojis right.